Okay, this is Packet Tracer 5.3.2.5 exploring the Cisco IOS CLI. The objective is to use the Cisco IOS CLI context sensitive help feature to explore the command shortcuts and to learn about error detection features and to use the command history. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to um, connect the PC to the 1841 router. So we're going to click on the PC. We're going to go to, whoops, um, terminal. And then we're going to look and see where we're at here. Okay, so we're going to hit enter. Then we're going to hit enable, enter, question mark. And then this gives you all these different commands that you can use. And these are all the different words for the different commands. Okay, so what we're going to start doing is we're going to start typing in commands. So the first thing we need to do is well, there's more command. Oops, I guess it helps if I get on the right page. Okay, so we want to just type in C and see what happens. And the tab. Because the C itself is not a command, we needed to type in the tab. So now we will type in CONF and then press tab. That tells you that the word is configure. So the CLI automatically completes. So now we're going to type in question mark after the configure. And that tells us that a bunch more information about it. It talks about that you can use the terminal with the configure command or command terminal, configure terminal. So now we're going to try some error detections. So at the customer router, we're going to type in con and enter, and that tells us that it's an incomplete command. So we're going to enter config terminal. And it tells us that we have an error, which That's what it's supposed to do. And it tells us a little marker where the error is at, which is right here. So now previously used commands are stored in the history. So to recall the last command, enter, press Control P, and the command appears at the router command prompt. So we're going to hit Control P, and now we're at customer route terminal. Now if we scroll back through the commands in the history buffer, then we can see where we're repeatedly pressing control by repeatedly pressing the control P and then press control N to cycle forward through the history buffer. So we can go control P, or we can go control N. So that pretty much shows the history. And that pretty much takes care of this particular project.